My name is Kieran Long. I'm a junior design engineer and I work for DesignPro Automation. DesignPro Automation is a robotic and machine building specialist. I work predominantly with the medtech sector, but I have a range of experience across other industries such as the automotive and pharmaceutical. We typically take what would have been a manual process and turn into an automated solution. This solution can help increase efficiency, cycle times, quality and safety. These machines can vary from simple pick and place machines to a large scale production line that can assemble complex medical components. So my task of a day can vary. I can have a simple task of just doing a drawing, or I can be working on some of the new systems such as the robotics and vision systems, or even some of the new autonomous robots that we see in some sectors. I'm quite fortunate. I started out in DesignPro in assembly, so I've seen some of these new technologies and seen how they advanced and seen some places where solutions can be brought in. So I'm lucky now that I work in design. I can help improve these solutions and see it from a different side. I didn't always want to be an engineer. I had a kind of a keen interest in technology and new developments in phones and laptops when I was younger. But I've always been a big interest in Lego and Lego Technic. But it wasn't until really when I went to college in LIT that I found a kind of a passion for design and passion for manufacturing. So I did my 3 years there and got a level 7 in mechanical engineering. And then I did my level 8 in UL as a transfer. And I did 2 years there, and then finally went into DesignPro Automation once I'd finished my qualification in UL. Every day is different. Every day provides a new challenge. You never get bored. There's always work and there's always a need and a drive for a better solution. Sometimes there's urgent tasks that need to be answered, such as design tasks for companies. We see some pretty interesting technologies that evolve in the industry, such as the robotics, which is pretty exciting. You don't see much of that unless you're working for a company. You also see some very interesting products, simple products like a Tic Tac, or some interesting ones in special bandages, and often quite interesting medical devices as well. Try and expose yourself as much to different types of jobs in the industry. Engineering is quite broad. It allows you to kind of search for what you like and what you have an interest in. So expose yourself to design, manufacturing, other jobs, and don't be too worried about your qualification. You can get a general degree or a specific degree and you're not tied down to that. You can work in whatever industry you want. You could be a mechanical engineer and work in a pharmaceutical plant or medical company, or the opposite way around. So it's what you want to do, and try and find what you want to do and make sure you're happy doing your job.